How long have the Sidemen been going for?
How long?
10 plus years. And how long has Josh scored? 0. Josh has never scored. That changes this 45 minutes.
Josh! Yes! There you have it! Pigs can fly! Do not adjust your television sets! Do not refresh your browsers! They said it couldn't be done! Well, it's been done, and it can't be undone! Take a touch and hit it! Do it for the Sidemen! Yeah! Star 1, 2, 3! Oh my word! That's not a penalty, that's from open play, and it's a hell of a strike! That was gorgeous, right in the...
You know, sometimes, guys, life moves